sungguh. Ahlan wa sahlan fi faslina sadda.
Ahlan bikum.
Salah ya. Masyaallah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Siapa wali kelasnya?
Ala annana yajuz lidukhul. Syukran.
Ahlan bikunna ya.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, my name is Syakila Farhanania.
Wa ismi Azalia Zuhra.
And today we will show and present our decoration classroom. Our theme is Almanar 2 Worlds.
Au Almanar Watani.
We choose this theme because Almanar is a bilingual boarding school which are
Arabia
and English.
wa ala janibil yusra yujidu yu fil arabiyati.
And on the left side, we decorated about Western typical. And on the back side, we highlight the condition of Almanar.
Wal ana sanashrahu min kulli janibin. Ladaina huna mabna al-ka'batu huwa al-qiblatu ra'isiyatul lil muslimina li ibadatil ilallahi.
And in western side, we also have many buildings. There are the first is Big Ben. Big Ben has made by Augustus Putin. Big Ben was built at London, England. The second building is Castle. This is one of castle from Europe Castle. And the third one is Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower was made by Gustav Eiffel and has height 300 meters. The fourth one is Mexico's Pyramid. Mexico's Pyramid has built around 280 ago and has height 15 meters. The fourth one is transportation. This transportation is one of iconic transportation from London, England. Its name Red Double-Decker Bus.
Wa fil arabiyati hunaka al-jamalu. Al-jamalu huwa hayawanun masyhurun fi shibahil jaziratil arabiyyati. Fil madi istaqdamahu arabu fi kusilatil litanqilun. Wa hadhihi syajaratun masyhuratin ismuha syajaratun nakhilun. Syajaratun nakhilun hiya ta'ishu fi manatifi zati darajatil hararati syadidatin.
We move to backside. In backside, we decorated what we have in Almanar. First one, in Almanar we have a monument at a central of Almanar that we call Tugu Bungong Jempa. We also write it motto and Asasul Ma'had. The first motto is noble character, sound body, broad knowledge, and independent mind.
Wa asasul khamsatul ma'had al-ikhlasu, al-basatatu, al-i'timadu 'ala an-nafsi, al-ikhwatul islamiyati wal hurriyati. And also many extracurriculars from Almanar. And there are photography class, al-tabakhu, marching band, tahfidul Quran, scout, difa'un nafsi, archery, kuratul qadami, badminton, kuratul madrabin.
And we move here. This is butterflies. The means of this butterfly is
Adaduhun isnatani wa salasuna furushin. Limaza? Lianna at-talabatu fi hadhil fasal adaduhun isnatani wa salasuna talabatin.
And on the roof, we made some planes. This describes our dreams that fly high like the planes. So we hope our dreams can fly as high as the planes fly. That's all we can explain to you.
Syukron ala ihtimamikum.
Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
أين رئيس فصل؟
Isa.
من رئيسة؟ ما اسمك؟ من؟ Up your voice. Can you up your voice? Irfa ini sobleki.
Sudah Rehan. Kelas berapa ini? Kelas mandi.
Welcome to our class, to the teachers with all due respect. We are both from class 2F. Our homeroom is Miss Nur Azlifa. We are both a student from Miss Nur Azlifa.
Selamat datang di kelas 2F. Kami adalah peserta didik dari Ustaz Azlifa. Di sini kelas kami bertema galaksi.
Apa?
Bertema galaksi. Ustaz.
Galaksi.
Ya.
Ya.
Ini aja.
My own name is Haura Alifa Qabila, and my friend name is Akifa Nela. She is my translator. Allow me please to take Mr. to around and discover the beauty of outer space.
Okay.
As we can see here, there's a wall of magazine. It's made from corks. We can use this to attach information or result of our imagination. Maybe like story paper or maybe something like that.
Di sini kami biasanya taruh informasi-informasi penting untuk kelas seperti apa gitu, kayak informasi lah gitu, Ustaz.
Okay, let's next. We can see and order the planet here. We can learn about other planets like Sun, Mercurius, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Okay, besides, we can see a cupboard here. Initially, the cupboard is full of graffiti, but we use our imagination to make this cupboard more nicer.
Dulunya Ustadz, ini lemarinya banyak dengan coretan. Terus kami menggunakan imajinasi kami untuk menempelkan sesuatu karena temanya tuh galaksi. Jadi kami taruh kayak gitu Ustadz di sini.
Can you open? Okay, please. Can I see? Okay. Wow. Quran, milik Quran. Okay, thank you.
Besides,
This one. Close again.
okay, next, we can see a cloud is raining here. There is a meaning here. Our spring will continue as heavy as the rain. Okay, let's continue. There's a group of butterflies that fly freely. Depicts our free soul.
Jadi di sini Ustadz, ini tuh banyak kupu-kupu terbang yang bebas, seperti melambangkan jiwa kami yang belajar dengan bebas di sini Ustadz. Habis itu kalau ini sederas hujan, segitu keraslah kami berusaha di kelas ini Ustadz.
Filosofinya sederas hujan.
Ya, kami berusaha gitu Ustadz. Seberapa keras hujan, sebegitulah kami berusaha Ustadz. Kelas ini Ustadz.
Berarti ini hujan deras, berarti deras sekali usahanya.
Iya Ustadz.
Sederas hujan. Filosofinya.
Bukan Grizzly ya? Hah? Titik-titik apa bahasa Inggris?
Risley.
Hah?
Risley.
Bukan. It is raining.
The cloud.
Grizzly.
Drizzly.
Ini Grizzly.
Okay. Let's be next.
Siapa lagi? Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. There is a motivation wall here. It's help us to more enthusiastic. Okay, now.
Jadi di sini Ustadz, ini tuh motivasi kami untuk belajar di kelas Ustadz. Kayak ada you are brave, thank you, be life strong. Kayak kita, kalau misalnya kami lagi malas tuh Ustadz, kami lihat ini kayak makin semangat gitu Ustadz.
The explanation by Indonesia, bahasa Indonesia more longer than English. So the mirror, huh? Describe the mirror.
Oh. Okay. We have to always look good in every situation.
Yeah.
So when we study, when we learn something, we have to look or feel to be always beautiful.
Yeah. Free soul with the good looking, right?
Yes.
You are good.
Thank you.
Excellent.
Okay. Move on. We can see picture here that which hung one by one. That we can see a schedule of picture here that we decorate the class. This.
Who's this one?
That's our pretty Miss Nur Azlifa.
Okay, I know.
Let me next. We can see our dream here. We word our dream with a great feeling. We hope our dream that will come true.
Jadi di sini tuh kami menempelkan cita-cita kami yang kalau bisa kami lihat tuh makin bisa semangat belajar gitu Ustaz untuk menggapai cita-cita kami. Karena kami udah teguh dengan cita-cita ini, maka kami harus teguh juga dengan belajarnya Ustaz.
Masya Allah.
For
Banyak cita-citanya.
HI,
Apa tuh?
Apa HI?
hubungan internasional.
yang paling banyak itu.
Internasional, Masya Allah.
Ada jadi ustazah ya? Ada yang mau jadi ustazah? Ada.
Okay, for your information, there is an astrophile here. Astrophile is a person who always like galaxy and outer.
sedikit penjelasan. Astral flight ini adalah wanita-wanita yang suka angkasa luar seperti galaksi itu, Ustaz.
Okay, next. We can see a rocket here that fly high with with confident words behind it. We can see here, I'm pretty girl, I'm beautiful, I'm elegant, I'm cute. This make us more feel confident, so we can fly high to achieve our dream. Okay, can we next? Here is the perfect one. There's a giant book. Can you open, Kifa?
Masya Allah, iya.
Giant book is full of fun fact. It's fun fact about galaxy and fun fact about Almanar maybe. Yes. We can see here there's a sun and the description. Kifa?
And the what? And the what?
Description. Kifa?
Di sini tuh ada buku yang namanya Giant Book. Giant Book ini menjelaskan tentang luar angkasa, terus juga tentang Almanar. Karena kita sangat mencintai Almanar, gitu, Ustaz.
Berapa lama bertahan Giant Book?
Karena kami cinta sama anak selama-lamanya, Ustaz.
Akan bertahan.
Akan, Ustaz, insya Allah.
Tahan di hatimu.
Bisa, Ustaz?
Bertahan di hati atau bertahan di tempelan dinding?
Dua-duanya juga bisa, Ustaz.
Dan finish.
Thank you.
Okay. Our dream will fly high as a high the rocket fly to space. Maybe just this from us. Sorry for all mistake. Thank you for around the galaxy with us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
One A. Speaker.
Yeah. Let's speakers come forward. Okay. Hold it, yeah. Here one. No. Here. In the middle. Come Shakira.
Oh ya, Shakira.
Shakira here.
Shakira duluan.
Shakira in the middle. Who most this way? Okay.
Ayo.
Dah, dah.
Okay, here many items we create in this decorative class competition. Now we want to tell you about them in our class. So our them is black into gold. The philosophy of black into gold is we won't tell to the other that black is not always dark, but black can be gorgeous and marvelous when combined with the gold.
We know that gold is rare and expensive to extract, and when it be the gold, it's very expensive. So in here we have structure and picket, and there we have pray before study. And this background, we combine the gold and granite, so we feel like in hotels. And then we have balloon, and then magazine, mass sudden in here like mat. So we make that. And then in there we make reading corner. So we have public speaking book, and then what is that? dictionary, encyclopedia, something like that.
Explain to us the meaning of balon.
The meaning of balon,
Learning by playing.
so we not just we learning. The balloon make me feel like play.
Play what?
Play like
Play somewhere. What do you mean play here?
like
Show us the interesting, right?
yeah, just
Play to make you feel better ya.
So
Play feeling lah ya.
the feel. Finish.
That's all.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jurusan.
Kamu kalian, salah. Ada yang presentasi?
Ya, baik nak silakan yang presentasi.
Wow.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Pertamanya.
Welcome to our class 7. Kelas 7. Filosofi tema kelas kami adalah nature class atau yang disebut alam. Tema alam.
Syukran ya. Ya, sudah. Makasih ya. Sama lagi. Soal pesannya. Memang kreasinya.
Ini permanen kan?
Lihat berapa lama bisa tahan.
Ini jilbab katanya yang nggak boleh dipakai lagi segitiga, empat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
So we are Wandi, and let me introduce myself. My name is Atia Islamizada, and I'm here for explain about my class. So the theme of my class is classic contrast. The meaning of classic contrast is kesempurnaan yang abadi. We using color brown and black because the meaning of color brown is calm and safety. So we can studying with uncomfortable. And the black color is meaning strong and elegant. So we can studying with a strong heart and strong brain for our for our future. So sorry if I'm talk in Indonesian. Jadi di sini kami menggunakan warna coklat dan warna hitam karena warna coklat itu melambangkan ketenangan. Jadi kami bisa belajar dengan tenang dan nyaman. Lalu kami menggunakan warna hitam karena warna hitam itu melambangkan kekuatan, elegan dan semacamnya. Jadi kami bisa belajar dengan lebih giat dan lebih kuat lagi. Jadi di kelas kami ini kami
sudah membuat pohon impian. Jadi di pohon impian itu kami menuliskan impian-impian kami. Jadi manfaatnya itu ketika kami sudah lelah belajar, sudah ingin menyerah, kami dapat melihat pohon impian tersebut, kami dapat melihat impian yang telah kami tulis di sana. Jadi ketika kami setelah ingin menyerah, kami bisa berpikir bahwa kami harus belajar lebih giat lagi, lebih kuat lagi agar kami bisa mencapai impian yang telah kami tulis di sana. Dan telapak tangan di sana menggambarkan persatuan kami. Walaupun kami semua berbeda-beda di sini, tapi kami semua tetap satu dan tetap kompak. Terus, kenapa kami pakai kupu-kupu? Karena supaya kami bisa terbang bebas untuk menggapai impian yang kami inginkan. Itu di jamnya kenapa ada tulisan good luck, supaya kami bisa baca itu setiap hari, kami bisa lihat itu setiap hari. Dan good luck ini doa, jadi setiap kami mengucapkan itu, kami mendoakan diri kami agar bisa sukses di masa depan.
Atia, this one.
Udah.
Expand it.
That was our hand.
Of many hands here. Only one word. What? It's ambition or what?
That was our.
Kita pernah di Almanar maksudnya. Kita.
Ya. Kekompakan kita.
Oh, the meaning of kekompakan.
Walaupun kami berbeda-beda, kami tetap satu.
It's mean united. Yeah. Excellent. Okay, finish.
So, that was from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.